The fridge. Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
This one, everything has to be furnished.
They don't.
Yeah, I check it because at home we got ceiling fans and they're so slow. They're so slow, and then the ink is gone from the little button here, so we don't know when it's off or on. We cannot control it.
Oh yeah, so you can see on here.
They're just slow.
On this side. So
Yeah.
that's got low, and then you've got medium. You can see there.
Yeah.
High and then off. Yeah. And they've got the remotes, but there's no batteries here. So I mean,
okay.
it's a brand new one.
Okay. So is there a leaflet about the brain, not what?
Is that? Oh yeah, Panasonic.
That's the oven Bellissimo. Is this Bellissimo?
Yes.
We like to cook a lot both, so.
Oh, nice.
Okay, Bellissimo multifunction oven, brand new construction, aircon in living room, which is communicating with this beautiful white kitchen with an island and to serve your guests and your family first easily.
Yeah. It doesn't say the watts.
Panasonic.
Yeah. It doesn't have the
Model number. Oh my god. Okay, Panasonic. Is there, because I can Google it later if I've got a number, a reference number.
maybe on this side here might have the.
They got a shop in CBD, but honestly, they were not giving much info.
Yeah. 50 hertz.
So I'll Google it later. I think it should. I've got everything I need here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna look again at the master bedroom. Garage, painted, garage door, controlled. Okay, wide opening door, main front door. Here we got no mirrors on the wardrobe. The fan is speeding better than in the other room. So this is master with aircon, which has never been turned on. It's brand new. Okay, so you got a dressing. You cross the dressing toward your bathroom. You got the beautiful double sink, decent mirror, modern cabin, a little rack for soap. That's only small. I would like to check the floor. I don't know how to do it, honestly. We're gonna put on cold. Yeah, it's a good flow. I'm out. So that's a good flow. I like the sink there. I don't know if I press it well. I think I did. I don't want to cause water damage. So I push extra to be sure. Okay. Like, we are so near the sea, I've been told that it's breezy if you open all the windows. Okay. Okay, some kind of dressing room. Wide window, but let's see. The vacant land beside brings more privacy, but for how long? Okay. This has to be tested. There's an extra dressing here. Because mommy loves clothes so much. Okay. So it's grey, but it's wide. And it has glass. We got a front yard, a beautiful little garden, beautiful driveway, clean white door for the car. And so that's 2 bedrooms here, garage. This is, I think, a living room, but aircon is here. Kitchen, pantry, so everything has to be furnished here. You have a spot for the fridge, so you have to measure before buying. And then toilet never used, beautiful. Bathroom for the kiddos with a bath. shower. I think it's wider than for the parents. Okay. Then you got here laundry spot, and here a little room for the kiddos and everything. Okay, one more space here for storage. Yeah. Okay, so that's 4 bedrooms, a little master with aircon. The kids are happy. Is it really breezy if you open it all? The grass is burned. This brown. I like curtains, but okay, I'm done. No shed in the yard, but this can be bargained down to 750.